Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back with another shop with me. I visited several different stores looking for a few things. Here I'm at my favorite Dollar Tree, and they have out lots of the Halloween decorations and little knickknacks, goodies. I did a quick flip through of this Halloween book just to see if it had any good images that I could use for junk journaling. They had lots of party favors. Usually I ignore those, but this time I took the time to look. I'm looking for things that I can use in journal making. They had these cute little notepads. The main thing I was looking for is the 5x7-ish planners, the weekly planners. But since I was there, of course, I had to take a look at the Halloween goodies. They had these plastic trays in black and purple. Also, these skulls that could be used for something. I think they were some type of bubblegum machine. I saw the glasses last year. Well, they're not actually glass, they're plastic, but they're back this year and they look really cool. They also have the spiderweb baskets or bowls back again this year in Halloween colors, of course. Also, these clear plastic bowls that have spider webs. They have one with ghosts and one with jack-o'-lanterns. They have the skull containers again this year. I picked up a pumpkin and a skull last year. They have these little bags that look like the book boxes that they had last year. Here's a look at the signs and other Halloween decorations. They also have out a lot of the fall craft supplies and decorations. I didn't see anything new, but it's still early, so I'm sure there will be something that pops up. The fabrics look a little different, but I'm not 100% sure that they are actually new. They seem familiar, so. They have the sunflowers back again, the corn, the leaves, and it is mixed in a little with more Halloween decorations. These are bits and pieces that can be used with the Halloween trees that they sell at Dollar Tree. They even have the rings for the footer of the tree in several different styles: black, orange, the galvanized tin, and purple. Here are some of the decorations for the trees. Look at the spiders. Aren't those cool? I may go back and grab a couple of those. I think they would make cool embellishments. And they have the rub-ons and the stickers. And I'm just flipping through to see if there's something that I don't have yet. The ribbon is also plentiful right now. I see some new designs. The skulls look new, and maybe the witches' hats with the spider web. I thought this apothecary shop sign was really cute. I saw someone use this to make something. I don't remember what it was. If I can find it again, I will link to it in the description box below. They also have these little plastic magic balls. Not sure if they open up, but I thought they were pretty cute. And these clear plastic containers that are shaped like coffins with a skeleton embossed on the front. These skull trays in a few different colors. And here's another sign, pick your poison. Finally, I found the trees. I was wondering why they had decorations with no trees, but they do also have the trees out now. And here are some more decorations. I was actually considering these bones, and I just saw Tim Holtz live where he picked up several bags of those. So I may go back and get a few because now I have ideas on how I could use them. There's more ribbon, just more deco and craft supply items for Halloween. But if you're not into Halloween, quite a few of these supplies can be used to create other things. I thought these pumpkins covered in this net material, it's kind of sparkly, were really cute too. And it says it's an LED pumpkin. Looks like there is a candle on the inside. They also had the shadow projectors that are LED lights. You can see the little images on top of the globe area. Here's a view of the fall signs and some of the florals. And here's a section with more fall decorative items, lots of different styles of pumpkins. Those are back from last year. Here's the wire pumpkin. I saw someone make a coach from Cinderella using 2 of those pumpkins and 2 of the towel holders. Again, if I can find the video, I'll link to it in the description box below. They also have these strings of beads. If you know what the beads are used for, let me know in the comments below. I know you can take them apart and use them to create other projects, but what are they actually used for? They had these lanterns, little plastic lanterns. And while I was in this area, I set off the sound for these decorative pieces. So moving out of Halloween, just strolling through the store, I went to the wallpaper peel and stick section to see was there anything new. The floral sheet is new. The sheet that I bought the last time with the birds is no longer available, so I'm glad I picked that up. If you want to see what that looked like, check out my last Shop With Me video. It will be linked in the description box below. These can be used for journal covers, photo backdrops. You can use them to make ephemera. They don't have to be used as wallpaper. I finally found the section that has the calendars and the planners, but I did not see the 5x6 weekly planner. I've already picked up a monthly planner, but I wish I'd waited because I like the design of this one better. They also have the personal size weekly planners. And they have out the 2025 calendars, but not the planner that I'm looking for. Since I was already in the area, I took a look at stationery to see was there anything new. The K through 12 students are already back to school here, so the back to school seasonal items will be winding down at Dollar Tree, but I still wanted to take a look and see if there was anything I had missed. They have lots of different journals, different sizes, different styles. So if you need journals for anything, it's a good place to look. The paper's not always the best, but you can find some gems sometimes. So it's worth checking them out and taking one last stroll through the front of the store to make sure I didn't miss anything. They had these Halloween inspired florals out, and that was pretty much it for this trip at Dollar Tree. So when I left Dollar Tree, I went to Target to check out the dollar spot because I know it's not called that anymore. I think it's the bullseye spot. But they didn't have anything interesting. Actually, most of the shelves were bare. So that was disappointing. But while I was there, I did go to the back to school section that they are phasing out now and was able to find some folders that I need to make some dividers for my Halloween planner. So I left Target and went to Walmart. And Walmart has out their fall decor items. I don't decorate for fall, but if I did, I would really be interested in these lanterns. I thought they were really nice. They have quite a bit to choose from. It's not picked over. The pumpkins with the dark orange sunflowers are really pretty. I like that dark orange color for sunflowers. It's different and it looks really nice. And here are the decorative pumpkins that they have. The metal pumpkins were cool as well. They had some gnomes. The gnomes were interesting too. And the wreaths. I think the wreaths could have been a little more full, but you could always personalize them and fill them out. These large pumpkins were interesting too, something different. I think some of these items were a little bit pricey though. And look at all the candy they have out for Halloween. This whole wall is full of candy. And these are the leftover school supplies in Walmart. I saw this mini happy planner. It's missing a disc. A lot of the items in this store are on clearance, not just in stationery, but all throughout the store. Here's another mini happy planner. I like the transparent covers that they're using now on some of their planners. I think it protects better than the laminated covers. This is a 12-month planner. It has a sticker sheet in the front. And I believe this layout is called the Simply layout. I think it's similar to the dashboard, only there is no dashboard. You just have the boxes for the weekdays. Walmart also has the Pen and Gear discount system again this year for back to school. They have an accessory kit and they also have the actual planners. This is just a brief flip through of one of the planners. It's all the same design as what they had last year. The covers are not that great for these, but of course you could customize your cover and make your own. So that was pretty much it for back to school. I made my way back to the craft supplies. They have lots of fabric, and as you can see, a lot of it is being clearanced. They also have ribbon. For some reason, they moved the craft supplies to the back of the store when they redid this store. This aisle is very tight, but they have packed quite a bit into this area. They also have sewing machines and other sewing notions. They have jewelry making supplies. Years ago, I picked up my jewelry making tools from Walmart, actually. I've also purchased beads from Walmart before, and they have quite a few items here that have been clearanced, but it looks like someone has purchased most of that already. And they have storage containers for craft supplies and beads, as well as adhesives, um, glue guns, X-Acto knives, markers. They have a variety of craft supplies in this area. They also have paper pads. This area looked a little run through, but in a pinch, I guess it would do. They have this pastel cardstock paper pad. I didn't take the time to look at all of the papers, but they had quite a bit. They also have Cricut tools and supplies. And I was actually on the hunt for a good planner bag or planner pouch. These were a little bit too small for what I need, but they may work for something else. So that's it for this shop with me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you see anything that was of interest to you? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.